So maybe this baby is never going on my lips again. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Guess what I got in the mail today? My IPSY Glambag for the month of August, not April, August. So let's unbag it together. The first item we have here is from Item Beauty. It's a makeup melting cleansing balm. Actually, it didn't came in my Glambag, but it was sort of an add-on that I claimed against my points. So what happens is every now and then IPSY gives you 5 free Glambags to give away to your friends. So we have to enter their email address and then they get an email from IPSY. So they have to click on the link and sign up for their subscription. They have to put in the information of a credit card as well, and they have to complete their beauty quiz. So they've received their first Glambag for free. After that, they can either cancel their subscription or continue receiving their Glambags. So whenever any of our friends claim that offer, we get points. Against those points, we can claim different items. For this month, I claimed this. Normally, I use makeup wipes to remove my makeup, but I thought it would be really cool to try this out. The way it melts our makeup and removes it effortlessly is so amazing. Actually, I don't even know why I have such clear picture of this working like that, because I have never used cleansing balms before, but we'll try this out and maybe I'll show you at the end of this video. It has a very thick consistency and it's almost solid. So we'll try this out at the end of this video and I'll show you. Then we have this Glambag over here. This month's theme is Hotel Paradise. It tells us 4 ways to relax and keep calm, but nothing about the products that are inside this bag. So let's check them out for ourselves. So the first item we have here is this Fiji Collagen Vitamin Mask. I chose it myself because I didn't see the e.l.f. Putty Primer there. So I chose this one. I had no idea it would be the size of a lipstick, but it seems very nice. We'll definitely check this out and maybe I'll show you somewhere over here. So the next item we have here is this eyeshadow duo from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the first time I have received an eyeshadow duo and I had no idea that it would be the size of my eye, but it seems pretty fun. Let's see how it opens. Wow, these are very pretty shades. We'll put the dark shade to define the shape of our eye. Oh, it's pretty intense. I really like its formula. It's not powdery at all and it has very minimum fallout. So we'll maybe put a little bit over here. And then we'll put the glitters on our eyelid. Wow, it's not that impressive, but maybe it's just the way I applied it. I'm no makeup guru, but still I think it's a pretty decent duo. And maybe it'll become my next go-to eyeshadow. So the next item we have here is this mascara. This is from Jasmine Beauty, and actually I wasn't expecting that big of a mascara here. I have seen the Max one in some Glambags that are very small, like this big, but this is very nice for that. So I have only one mascara from CoverGirl and it has a very basic and boring one. So I was really excited to see this which is tapered in the middle. So let's see how it works out for us. Oh my god. Can you see the difference? Oh my god. Wow, I'm really impressed. It seems like I'm wearing false lashes. Nice. Let's put it over here. Still not good enough for my lower lash line, but it has done a great job on my upper lashes. So I'm actually really impressed with this mascara. It has really lengthened my eyelashes and I'm really in love with it. The next item we have here is this lip balm from Pink Lips. It is also wrapped in plastic in a very dark shade. I don't know if it's gonna look good on my lips. Oh my god, this color is not for me. It's very hydrating, but I cannot go anywhere with looking like this. But let's try to put it on our cheeks. Maybe I can use it as a tint or something, but this baby is never going on my lips again. I'm good without it. So the final item we have in here is this cleanser or face wash. Actually, in my profile at IPSY, I wrote that I really like cleansers and face wash, so I've been getting one every month. So maybe it's time to change my profile, but it seems like a decent face wash. But let's see if I ever get to use it. But that's all for today's bag. So I put on some more makeup to check how well it actually works. So let's try this out. Take this. So I think it did a decent job. So that was everything in my glam bag this month. Please tell me how you like it and what you got in your glam bag. I would love to know. Please do tell me in the comments down below and stay tuned for other videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.